Let's solve another LeetCode problem, and the problem is valid anagram. We are given two strings s and t. We have to return true if t is an anagram of s and false otherwise. Now, what is an anagram? An anagram is a word or phrase formed by rearranging the letters of a different word or phrase. For example, let's say we have string s and its value is anagram and t nagaram. As you can see, the answer will be true because both of these strings have same characters with same count. So anagram is nothing but rearrangement of characters with same count. This problem is very simple. The approach is also very simple. We will maintain a hash map, that is dictionary in Python, and we will first count maintain the count of each character in the string s, and then we will decrement the count of each character in string t. At the end, to determine whether the two strings are anagram or not, we will simply check the size of the dictionary. That's it. If dictionary contains if the size of dictionary is 1, then that means there was some character which was not present in the string s, or there was some character which was not present in string t. Let's start with the implementation. First of all, we will check whether the length of string s and t are equal or not. If they are not equal, then that simply means that the two strings are not anagram. Length of t, we will simply return true. Again, we will check. No, we don't need to check for the length one because we will simply be maintaining map. How we will maintain the map? Let's initialize an empty dictionary at first. Let's use the naming convention. First, we will iterate over the string s, that is for c in s. If c in map, if the current character is already present in the map, we will simply increment the count of that character. Map of c is equal to map of c plus 1, else we will initialize the key else we will initialize the first value as 1 with key as a character and value as 1. Okay, now we will iterate over the string t. For t, that is c in string t, if count of current char will be equal to map of c, we will decrement the count by 1 every time. Say map of c is equal to count minus 1. Then we will check if count is equal to 1, then that means this was the last character. But instead of checking whether if the count of the current character is 1, we can simply check the updated value. If map of c is equal to 0, then this means we have to delete the key from that dictionary. Map of c. Okay, we don't have to, we have to do this. Okay, first we need to correct the indentation. Now you will simply return length of map equal to 0. I'm not sure if the implementation is correct for the size of map, but let's see. Anagram, what is the error? Same for C, count map of C. Key error C. Okay, we can also check whether the current key, that is the current character, present as a key in the map or not. If C not in map, you will simply return false. This means that the current character is present in the string T but not present in the string S. See, let's submit the solution. Wrong. Why is this wrong? Okay, if C not in map, as you can see, the string S and T don't have equal length. Oh, we need to return false here. My bad. As you can see, our solution has been accepted and you don't need to fret about runtime or memory. It keeps on changing. Now let's do a dry run. Let's say we have string S equal to, let's say, bat, and string T, this is not Java, this is Python, and the string T is equal to tab. Now our dictionary will have values as B with count 1, A with count 1, T with count 1. Now when we will iterate over the string tab, the count of that corresponding character per iteration will be decremented by 1. When the index is, let's say, let me iterate over the string 1, A 1. Now when the index is at 0 and the key is T, that is the T character, the count of T will be 0. And if any characters, that is any keys value is 0, we are deleting that key from the dictionary. On the second iteration, key is A. Now A's value will be 0. In the next iteration, the dictionary will only have one key, that is B. And on the third iteration, the value of B will be 0 and B will be also deleted from the dictionary. Now the dictionary is empty, and in the last statement, the final statement, we are checking if the length of dictionary is 0 or not. If the size of dictionary is 0, then that means all the characters that were present in string S were eliminated because they were present in T. If the size of the dictionary is not 0, then that means either the characters present in S were more, that is their count was different, because in this statement we are already checking if the length of the string S and T are equal or not. If the length is not equal for both of the strings, we are simply returning false. And in the last case, that is the statement return length of map equal to 0, the only case when the dictionary size is greater than 0 is when the count is different for both of the strings. Thank you for watching and subscribe for future videos.